Hey guys, welcome back, and today we will see MSCAST assignments. Fourth question: a manurial trial with the 6 levels of Farmyard Manure (FYM) was carried out in a randomized block design with 4 applications at the experimental station Junagadh. With a new study, the rate of decomposition of organic matters in a soil and its synthetic capacity in the soil on a cotton crop. The yield per plot in kg for different levels of FIM replications is given below. You can see here. Carry out the analysis of variance test and draw the conclusions. If you want complete solutions of MSCAST, you can contact us on WhatsApp at this given number and we will provide you the complete solutions of MSCAST assignment. If you want any other assignment solution also, we will provide you the complete solutions of your assignment. Thank you guys for watching.